Hi, Miss Watson here. I wanted to hop on real quick and go through the expanding expression tool with you, describing an object as an example. So I chose to describe a basketball. So I am going through the visual to describe it. So on the very top, green group, the category. What category is a basketball in? Well, I would say it's a ball, or to be a little bit more specific, it's a sports equipment, right? We use it for sports, so the group could be sports equipment. Look, I have another thing that belongs in the category of ball or sports equipment. This little tennis ball. All right, the next one, blue do, object function. So that's saying, what do we do with this object? There is a lot we can do with the basketball. We can dribble it, we can shoot it, we can pass it. Those are all the functions of a basketball, or what we do with it, blue do. The next one, with the little eyeball on it, what does it look like? This is when we describe what we see. I can say the shape, circular or round. I can say the color, kind of a brownish reddish. And I can say the size. This is this little ball. I'd say this is a pretty big ball or medium-sized ball. So it's round and brown, and it's got black stripes through it. It's another way to describe it. The next one, what is it made of? What is the material of the basketball? Well, did you know that basketball is made out of leather? And it kind of has some rubber material to it too that protects it when we're dribbling it outside. So I'd say, what is it made of? Leather or rubber? Both of those would work. Pink parts. What are the different parts of a basketball? Ooh, tricky. I would say the outside of it, and these lines are a part of the basketball. And the words on it could be considered a part of the basketball. Inside a basketball is just air. That's what makes it so bouncy. So there's not a lot of parts to a basketball. White where? Where would I find a basketball? Well, I'd find it in a gym class, in my garage where I keep all my balls. At a basketball game or on a basketball court, there are lots of different places you would find a basketball, right? But most of it has to do with outside or the gymnasium. The last one, what else do I know? Facts. So what else do I know about basketball? Well, it's a sport, and I know that to play it, you need 5 players on each team at the court at one time. And you shoot a basketball, and if you make it, you get 2 points. Unless you're further outside of the 3-point ring, then you get 3 points. And another fun fact that I'll share, Miss Watson played basketball in high school. So I used to be a pretty good basketball player. So that is an example of using this EET, we call it Expanding Expression Tool, visual aid to use to describe things. You can use this to describe just about anything. I could describe this pencil using it. I could describe, I have an iron in this room. I could describe the iron. So you can use it for just about anything. If you have questions, let me know. We can go through another one.